Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Sydney. If you are new to my channel, I welcome you. Today's video is going to be a Poshmark video about bundles. I get a lot of questions from people that I've been doing closet reviews for about how people can sell more bundles on Poshmark or what they can do in their closet in terms of encouraging bundles. So today I'm going to give you 5 tips to kind of curate your closet to be more bundle friendly. So speaking of closet reviews, if you would like to take advantage of my free closet review offer, I am offering a free closet review right now. If you purchase my ebook bundle down below in the description box, it has a questionnaire with it in addition to the 5 Poshmark guides, which are all described down below in the description box. Basically, it's a bundle of my 5 Posh guides. It includes sourcing, where to source, how to source, pricing, selling strategies, Instagram marketing, all kinds of stuff, all kinds of information included in those. It also includes access to my private share group, as well as access to my new Posh Boss mentor group that I created for those of you who purchased the bundle. So you can ask questions and things like that while you are waiting on your closet review. If you're still waiting on your closet review, I am going to get to everyone. I have quite a few of these to do, so please be patient with me. That's kind of why I created the group, so that you guys could ask questions in the group as well, and I can kind of interact with you through the Posh Boss mentor group. So if you would like to be included with that, I would love to have you, and all of that information is down below in the description box. So let's talk about how to make your closet more bundle friendly. So my first tip for you is going to be, it's a little bit obvious, but it's to carry multiple items of the same size. So, you know, when you're outsourcing, try to get a variety of sizes, but if you want to encourage bundles, you need to also get some items of the same size. You need to do, you know, large t-shirts, same size jeans, same size tops, same size dresses. You need to really, you know, be paying attention when you're outsourcing. If you have a tendency to buy a certain size, you need to try and carry a variety of sizes in your closet. Like maybe you don't have any plus size, like that's an entire market in itself, it's plus size. Maybe you don't have any maternity sizes. Maybe you don't have any smaller sizes. You need to carry a variety of sizes in your Posh closet in order to encourage people to make bundles, because they can't bundle, you know, if they're a size small and you only have one size small top, they're not going to be able to really bundle anything. So you need to try and carry, you know, multiple of the same sizes. Or maybe if you have small tops, maybe you can look for, you know, size 2 to 4 skirts or jeans that will go with these tops. Or, you know, if you have dresses, look for blazers that will go with the dresses. And I talk about a lot of this in my sourcing guide, which is included with the bundle as well. I go into a lot of, you know, different categories and things to buy. So my second tip to make your closet more bundle friendly is to carry accessories. And I feel like these types of things are often overlooked: jewelry, accessories, bags, things like that. But those items do not require sizes at all. Those are things that people can just buy, and they don't have to worry about what size they are for the most part. And, you know, if they find a cute dress in your closet and then they see a bag or a necklace that would go with it, you know, that they're gonna bundle that, because then they can save on the shipping. Then they can combine shipping on those items, and, you know, they can buy everything from your closet and they only have to pay the shipping one time, or maybe you can even offer them a shipping discount or free shipping. But having clothes and accessories and shoes in your closet are going to encourage people to bundle more, because you will have more of a variety of items that they can buy without necessarily having to worry about the size of them. So my third tip, which I kind of tapped into in the first tip, is to carry things in multiple of the Poshmarkets. Poshmark is really pushing this new markets feature. They were pushing it a lot at PoshFest. They were really excited about it. And they really want you to carry as many items that cover all of the Poshmarkets as you possibly can. Because you have to think about it, you know, a lot of women shop on Poshmark. And if they can come to your closet and they can buy things for themselves, or they can buy things for their kids, and they can buy things for their husbands, then they can bundle from you. You know, instead of having to go to, oh, this closet only does kids, this closet only does men's. If you can carry all of the different categories of the Poshmarkets, they are going to bundle more items from you, because these women are constantly shopping for their entire families. Or maybe it's men shopping. Maybe they want to get their wife something or their kids something. You know, if you have these items in your closet, they are going to bundle from you to save on the shipping cost. So, and then also, if you have all of these markets in your closet, that's going to give your closet way more exposure to way more people. Take, for example, you know, if you have a guy on Poshmark and he only shops for guy stuff, so he's only in the men's market, he'll find your closet if you have men's items. So you need to have as many of the different markets in your closet as possible so that you can get maximum exposure for your closet and maximum promotion for your items. My fourth tip for you to make your closet more bundle friendly is to keep some sort of list of repeat customers. If you start to notice some of the same people shopping in your closet, take note of that. Write their closet down, put it in your phone, put it in your notepad, you know, and really, you know, if you get something in that you realize is their size, or maybe you got some jewelry in or a purse, or, you know, if you have an entire outfit that you could recommend to them, you know, you can tag them on it, you can share it to them. Keep track of those people who buy from you time and time again, because those people like you, they like your customer service, they like your brand, they like, you know, that they can trust you as a seller, and they will come back and they will buy multiple items from you time and time again. So absolutely take record of these people. If you start noticing the same people shopping with you over and over again, you need to remember those people so that when you get in new items, you can contact them some way, like tagging them or sharing something to them just to say, hey, I got some new stuff in, come take a look at it. You know, treat this as you would if you were an actual sales associate in an actual store. If you have someone who is looking for something and you know that they want something and you get it in, tell them. I had someone who was looking for a black tennis skirt because I had some tennis skirts, and she asked me if I had any black ones, and at the time I didn't. So a few days later, I actually found a black one, and I tagged her on it. I was like, hey, I got this in, you know, just wanted to show it to you, and she bought it. So you have to kind of, you know, I didn't really write that down. I just remembered the girl asking me if I had this specific item, and I went back to her because it was so recent. If you have somebody ask you, you know, if you have something, like write that down somewhere so that you can remember it. And that way, if you do find something, you can go back to them, and then they will buy multiple items from you and they will bundle from you. So my last tip is kind of a proactive measure in terms of customer service, and that is to provide measurements and as much information on your items as you can. This kind of eliminates the idea of somebody having to ask you these questions. And the less questions they have to ask you before they purchase from you, the more likely they are going to be to purchase from you. And if you have all your items and all your measurements and all your information on the items, they can just make that bundle and click add to bundle like they would click add to cart, and they can just buy it. Or they can bundle it and hope that you'll send them a shipping discount, and they will buy it. And that is something that you need to be doing as well. Is if somebody bundles things, you need to go in right away. You need to send them a discount with a shipping discount, because if people are bundling multiple things, there's a high chance that they want to buy from you immediately. You really need to be paying attention to your closet at all times so that you can answer questions from people, so that you can provide good customer service to them, and that is going to help you sell more bundles. So I hope that these tips today will help you to sell more, and to also, you know, when you're outsourcing for your Poshmark closet, I hope that will help you be thinking about, like, how do I provide more of a variety of items for my customers so that they can bundle for me, because that is a really huge part of Poshmark. And people like to bundle because, like I said before, it helps them to save on that shipping cost. So these are my tips for you today. As always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. That is also in the description box. I hope that you will pick up my bundle. I'd love to have you in my new Posh Boss mentor group and my share group. And I think that's it. I'm going to go find something to do now that it has stopped raining and we have this great lighting. But I will see you guys in the next